Um, Unfortunately, I don't have too much China exposure. I only have like a little less than, it's enough. I have like 37% of my account in China. Ooh, but I should have these two at least. I just fucked up. And yeah, yeah, this one and Tiger is yep. But this one I don't feel as bad about because it was too thin before, but now it's not. Oh my God, dude. I'm feeling like okay, this is probably the best I could have done. I don't know if I could have done that much better on the China trade. Oh my God, that's so strong. No, it's not true. I could have done better. Could have doubled my account. Yeah, probably, but that doesn't really make me feel better. Like I should be in Yin and C-Web at least. But this one is this is maybe still worth keeping an eye on. I demoted Clover for now, but I think yeah, it's okay. I think at some point there's gonna be a good mean reversion on this, maybe, but it's way too early still. Look at this. Every dip is getting bought. This is just so fucking insane, dude. Like what the actual fuck? What does the index actually look like? Yeah, yeah, it's got room, dude. It's just there's no need to rush into the mean reversion trade. What made you re-enter Neo on September 25th? I bought on September 24th and I just held it. I bought it here first though, yeah. Why would I sell it here? Because low of day. Hard stop at low of day is not what I do, guys. That's pretty rare. I think that day it didn't even yeah, look, it just like this is what you can do. You can get an alert for low of day and then then after 30 minutes or so, if it doesn't go straight down, put the stop here. Or you can just have a hard stop at like 550. I think that would work. Granted, I this is the one that I didn't wait for lows here because of this candle. And it's like it just looked like it was breaking down, but I don't feel as bad about this anymore. It looks like it's going to offer another setup. But I don't really want in this much as I do the fintech ones. These like Futu is the one I really want. And I could have bought it on this day actually, but I didn't. It gave you like if something like if okay, so this is like man, if something is kind of feels extended on the daily and you want to get in, you can buy it at key levels like here. You can buy it at these moving averages, right? On the 30 minute. You can start like buying on the flush here, but I didn't do it. And now it's yeah, it's gonna go straight up. Jesus fucking Christ. But there's it's okay. It's okay, guys. There's good news. All the real estate stuff that people that's been going sideways for a while. I assume some people got shaken out of Redfin because it closed below the 10 day because yeah, weak hands, motherfuckers. This looks like it's gonna go for another leg. I mean, this is acting so well now. Goes from looking, oops, goes from looking very shaky, or it's still above the 20 day, right? But you feel bad because it retraced this, and then it's just like Rocket Lab. Looks pretty bad. And yeah, people thinking it's extended now probably, but I don't know. Look how strong this is though. Like Bitcoin, yeah, this who could have seen this coming? MSTR is strong. Hood I promoted. Hood I got an alert for last week. All right, where is it? 2288. Like I think it was this high. Could have bought it here, but I didn't. I think I'll buy it when it crosses this line or something. Or you could probably start buying it here. What else do I do? I cut this piece of shit. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah, hood is good. I just passed, but yeah, I sold this like here. This failed breakout on the 30 minute. Yeah, that's I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna demote this too. What's down for me today? Oklo, and yeah, this is fine. This very obviously I think needs a 10-day now. This needs a 10-day again probably. Yep, yep. This might be looking for another round. Oh man, things are looking good, man. The firm found a bid here. I've been yeah, yep. Look at this shit, dude. This is just refusing to die. The spread is $1.29. Are you kidding me? So I think how I'm gonna play this is if it goes, I don't buy it, and I just wait for the spread to get better and then see if I can find an entry. Dude, is Shyness on the fucking call? Shyness bought this here, and he didn't. I swear, I bet you he didn't hold it. I bet you he's not in it anymore. You should have just held it, motherfucker. Just okay. Oh yeah, this is happening. Is it Powell? Yeah, it's Powell. Okay, whatever. Let's see what's going on. What else is going on? Yeah, Lunar. A few more days maybe. Uh, I don't think I want it yet. Oh, I don't know if I want to trade that hourly. I'll make a game time decision. And what else is going on? Big ass hurricane. It's like Katrina level shit. Of course, government's not doing anything to help. Dude, I saw fucking pictures of cops guarding the fucking these stores that have no power, and all the fucking food's gonna expire anyway, but they're not letting people in to take the food. It's just I fucking hate this shit, dude. It's Katrina. This time they're also doing it to white people. Okay. Do I have to watch this? Lumen is not too thin for me. What are you talking about, man? Dude, this is up so much. Are you kidding me? Lumen trades like what? Lumen trades over $100 million volume per day. What are you talking about, too thin, bro? Yeah, this one likes to sell off and go. I'm not sure why this would go. Haifa's like dead. Economically, this like Israel's economy is cooked, but I guess people want this anyway. Teo, talk to you. Dime? Does that mean give me or talk to me? My Spanish is such shit, dude. No, Tio is uncle. Teo's a name. Which ones are the Taiwan ones? Zim is a special one though, because it was a good IPO, momentum, and they don't own their shipping containers. They like lease them or something. Oh no, you're chilling, bro. Oh, this is actually pretty liquid on Taiwan Stock Exchange. Yeah, dime means tell me. Damelo. Damelo is give me it. Yeah. Is shipping is like are the contracts going up? No, contracts are like the same. What's the other one? The boat yeah. Yeah, but shipping is like it's not really fun to trade. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Oh, dude, it's fucking. I took 5 years of Spanish, man. It's so fucking shit. Um, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade shipping stocks. Do I think Kulamagi will what? Do I have? I'll just look it up here. So the one advantage of the classification system that TradingView uses, which is not the most popular one, is that marine shipping uh, is separate from what the fuck was I gonna trying to say? Marine shipping, like bulk dry shipping, is separate from tankers. Yeah, tankers. This is a tanker though. It's an LNG shipper. This is dry bulk shipping. They're so slow though. Why would I trade these? Maybe I spoke too soon. Um, it's probably the volume filter filtering all of these out. But the other, okay, where's the oil and where's the midstream? Can we change it? It's what's ASC? Oh, they updated it? Hmm. Okay. So they got rid of the oil and gas midstream and just moved these all to marine shipping, which I guess maybe it makes sense. But like tankers trade differently than dry bulk shipping. Tankers made a big run in the commodities year, right? 2022. They were actually the leading sector in oil and gas. Whereas like dry bulk shipping in 2022, well, okay, I think this is all the shipping. Never mind. I don't know if there is one. Oh yeah, in 2022 you can see the price of contracts just went sideways and dropped, right? So dry bulk shipping did not get much bids. Okay, are these shitcodes just still going crazy? Man, I haven't really had an appetite for this, but you could have just held duo, I guess, from like here. It's already more than doubled from here, right? I could have bought it here. It's pretty thin, right? Yeah. Well, no, starting here got volume, but thin before. Ooh. uh, damn, this hopefully this can set up below highs. So, what's going on? They're selling some of the stuff I'm in. It's fine though. I really have to hold it. Um, what was I looking at? Wait, what is this UXIN again? Oh, this is used car transaction services. Okay, so this is, oh man, really? This is the same shit that online. Let's throw it in e-commerce, but this is the same thing that XHG is, right? This is apartment? No. Duo real estate. What's the one KXIN? Yeah, the sale of automobiles. Yeah, it's another one of these. Uh, oh, this is not dying either. Man, biofuels. It's pretty thin, but let's watch it. It's already in clean energy. This had some acquisition deal, not tradable. Retail, another China retail name. Let's put it down here. Oh, it's already in e-commerce for me. Okay. What the fuck? Is this another China name? Look at all these shitcodes, man. What the fuck is going on? Ding dong? Really? E-commerce? Okay, yeah. Oh my God, this is crazy. This is another China fintech. Yeah, it is. I'll just put these all down at the bottom for now. Oh, it's already here. Okay. Ooh, wow. Wow. This is gonna be on watch too, I guess. It's China related. Win. No, win. Ew, what is this? What is this from? Oh yeah, this failed. Oh yeah, I used to draw lines like this sometimes. Just don't worry about it. What's the other one? What's the other casino name? LVS. Yeah, I'll watch them. Yeah, it's LVS. This is the only one worth trading. I'll put these in three. I'll put these in three, yeah. Hope you guys are making money on China. Oh wow, this actually okay, no. I thought this was the level up here. You can do this. You can start things here. Oh yeah. I mean probably. I think that happened before. Did it? I don't remember. Oh man. I'm close to out of my drawdown. But yeah, it still feels bad because well I almost so like obviously taxes are taxes, but this is why I don't like I never mind. It's just like after you pay tax in your drawdown, it felt like I almost had it's like half of the account, almost half the account number was gone. And I was like, oh no, this is really bad. But yes, if you count the top of the account as having paid taxes, and that's the top. No, not 50%. I was like in a 30% drawdown, but I paid like a fourth of my account about in taxes because I like tripled my account this year, or more than tripled. Yeah, so I was supposed to do it every quarter, so it doesn't feel as bad. I mean, you could just do it at the end before like the tax cutoff deadline, but I don't think that's very wise. The problem is that then you get kind of greedy. So I didn't do it first. Well, so if you don't do it like, yeah, because like you're tempted to maybe just like, okay, I'm just gonna use my untaxed money to be greedy and leverage my gains, but I don't know. I don't think that's a good idea because you owe all your realized gains in the end of tax year, right? I don't know if you talked to anyone from 2021 or 2020, sorry, 2020. Yeah, in 2021, like a lot of people had realized gains in stocks and taxes, in stock, or sorry, stocks and crypto especially, who got greedy and just kept, rolled the positions into new things, realized the gains, and then rolled it into new positions, and then they just lost all the money. But they still all owed money on all the fucking gains. I know someone had to sell his house because he's fucking retarded. So I just rather not be in that position. I'm saying, yeah, basically half my account a rep out after I pay taxes and my drawdown, yes. Which feels really bad, but it's okay though. It's just how it is. No, your previous year gains are owed, dude. You can't write off your current losses for more than 3 grand on previously owed taxes. Your owed taxes are always fucking owed. Don't fall into that trap. It's a fucking scam, of course, yeah. Oh, nice. Where you live at? Rotterdam or something? Look, this rejected the level. Oh, nice. I love. Well, yeah, I like it. I love Amsterdam a lot. Just like the onion part is a little too. It's just too hectic. I don't really like it there that much. But I love cycling, so yeah. One of the only countries to have like successfully reversed their car-centric infrastructure. Like people think that Amsterdam was magically always like this. It's not true. It used to be super car-centric. But what did they do? They did fucking urban planning, like any fucking civilized society should. And I love cycling culture, man, in Amsterdam. Yeah, I can cycle for like a little, like an hour and a half. But that's about it. I'm walking a lot. I'm swimming. Yeah, but I still have like back problems right now, unfortunately. But it's been good because I've just been going out all the time instead of staying at home. Uh, yeah, swimming is a little bit more boring. I do agree, but it's good. It's good for you. Yeah, yep. I have like a pinched nerve in my neck, dude, because well, I got a really bad bike accident last year, and it's like a residual thing from that. Ah, shit, bro. Damn, yeah, that sucks. I don't honestly don't know what's worse, slower or upper, but yeah. Yeah. Now I know how that goes. So I got like arm problems. It's also to do with like using the computer, jerking off too much, playing video games, riding my bike too much, because it's like cyclist's elbow. I also have that, or cyclist palsy, where the fuck it's called. But I did hurt my, so like initially I hurt my hip and I couldn't walk for like 2 months, and then I got better and I thought I was all good, but this spine thing came back, so it is what it is. Yeah, man, I feel it. Oh, it's also from like just fucking, looking at my phone too much. 'Cause like, like if you're like looking down on your phone, right, your head's gonna put more stress on your neck. So yeah, and reading, I used to read like in a poor position. Uh, yeah, it's all bad. I haven't been sick in like a long time though. The only time I remember getting sick was like 2021, and I missed some big trade. I think I missed this one because I was sick from like maybe it was COVID. No, it wasn't COVID. I didn't get COVID then, like back here. But I haven't really been sick in I don't know a really long time, man. I'm like pretty healthy besides the back thing. Yeah, surgery is like a last resort though, man. I mean, I'm trying to avoid that. It's been like 2 months for me, which makes me kind of nervous. But I'm trying to avoid surgery at all costs. I might go see like a massage therapist, but I don't know where there's a good one in LA, so I have to do some research. I don't want to find some like hybrid chiropractor bullshitter. Like chiropractor, I'm pretty sure it's just a scam, right? So what is this GME alert? Yeah, exactly. Chiropractic is like it's from I didn't look this up, but didn't like the guy that founded it. He's like saw it in a dream or something. No, I don't want a hand job, dude. I never seen okay, I'm not about to go get a fucking random hand job. If I'm gonna, I've never seen a sex worker before, but if I were to go see a sex worker, why would I want a fucking hand job? It's so lame. But I'm like a hypochondriac, so I'll never do it anyway. It's just gross. Like in Amsterdam, red light district. It's just gross. It's like I don't know. It's like oh, you're tempted. It's like no, not really, dude. I don't want to fucking. Dude, some other dude just nutted in her like an hour ago, man. Like what the fuck, bro? Like I don't want that shit. And I'm very pro whore. Like you should hoe around. Like if you're a girl, I agree with that. It's just like an hour. No. I love me some hoes though. I was talking about this last week. Hoes got the best taste in music. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not. I can get laid. I don't need that shit. 2 dozen men, dude. Damn. I mean, I knew this girl that actually. Well, I don't know. She's not really a friend anymore, but she was my friend in middle school. She had a like she's yeah she did a train in like high school, but she like really wanted it. I don't know. She's kind of a nymphomaniac, and now she's a lawyer, dude. So I'm pretty sure like you know the girls that like are behind the DJ booth and shit, like at the boiler room sets. I'm pretty sure my situationship is like that kind of. So I was like there's like this like Jamie XX and Kate Renata are playing some show in Palm Springs. And I was like, yeah, we should go to this. And she got us 2 passes for free somehow. And I asked her how she did this, and just refusing to tell me how to. Whatever. I don't want to know how she was able to get these passes, but I'm down. Is anything going on with crude? Dude, this is so fucked up. Why am I not in this? This is looking really good. What happened to Summit here? Downgrade? Yeah. Well, I've definitely been better at trading non-shitcodes, but occasionally I'll catch a good banger. But it's been a while since I caught a good small cap banger. Or like, well, small cap technically the cutoff is it's like 200 million to 2 billion, right? No, sub 1 billion is okay, but sub 200 million when we get into micro cap, nano cap territory, it's a little shaky. But let's see, what am I looking at? Like lunar back yeah, this is 1 billion now. When it was down here, it was yeah, about 1 billion or less than a billion, right? Summit and TI Summit, it's like what is this? Oh, it's 15. Never mind. This is huge now. This is already a large cap. Oh yeah, but like TIL, I didn't trade this though. Close 1 billion, right? So it's less than a billion here. I don't think I mean, it's an arbitrary cutoff, but I think once you get into like the 200, 300 million range, that's like a good cutoff maybe, but yeah. Twitter, actually. One of the few things I found on Twitter that was useful. You can confirm it by looking through their website though and pipeline, which I did not do, but it should be on there. Okay, this is fine. Maybe I should have sold some into this. Oh man. No, oops. It doesn't matter. Same difference, but let's just do it here. My God. Holy fuck, dude. Yeah, but like I could never trade this, man. 7 million? Yeah, no. Hopefully some of you are in this. Yeah, nice. You could have bought it, well, obviously here. This one? Did you buy it yesterday? It's pretty hard to buy though, I think. You kind of have to buy it like here, I guess. Like, because, buying in here is a trap, I think. This one? You bought here? Jesus Christ. This is a very ballsy buy, but good for you. Because, you know, it could fill the gap pretty easily. But, you know, oh, exactly where I said to buy it? Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's a good buy. This is the good buy. This you already have confirmation. You have your risk set here. I mean, you can get slipped if it crosses below here, but you know, you accept that, right? Yeah, that's the play. That's a good play. Why is my P&L still going down right now? What the fuck is going on? Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I would probably sell some now, at least. You gotta sell into this, but at the very least, you gotta trail a tiny bit. It respects these 1 minute EMAs. You should have had this on watch from day one, yeah. Just like on the back burner at least, because of like I've been getting alerts for this because I set an alert for Tide Day. I was never gonna trade this, but just to watch it. You should have known it because it's a China Shitco. China Shitcos are hot. Yeah, generally I don't avoid things where you know, the market cap is not that much more than my account. It's like, what the fuck? Yeah, if you trade shitcoins, I mean, you guys should know this if you trade shitcoins. If you don't, then you're not making any money. Shitcoins only work if it's in theme generally. Or not, that's not true. But it's easier for them to work. How big is this one? 15 million market cap, and it's rotated its float. Oh, this doesn't trend as well, but yeah, you guys should watch this too, I guess. What was pre-market? Oh, nah, the pre-market's really shit on. It's like, yeah, it's got a supply up here. No, I've not, but yeah, that's I believe you know, I mean, obviously that's pretty hard to do, but yeah, I believe it. Is he algorithmic or does he do it does he execute everything manually? And sorry, only longs? No shorting them too or no? Yeah, that's pretty impressive. It's just not me. I can't. Yeah, I don't think I could do that. Okay, am I prepared for Neo to come back to these moving averages? Yes, I am. I'll hold it. Oh my God. They did it. Did they listen to me? I requested this feature so many times. Oh, beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Finally, finally, finally. Yeah. I've been spamming them with requests for it. I'll jerk off the PM who greenlighted it. Yeah, I complained about that already. They're working on it. Yeah, I mean, I'll give a hand job to whoever did that. Yeah. I'm just saying, if I'm gonna go see a prostitute, which I'm not gonna go do. I'm not gonna get a hand job of all things. But yeah, they're gonna James B. Looks like they're listening to me. Yeah, I did, but that wasn't me though. That was like everyone asked for that. Like literally everyone asked for it. So it was pretty relentless. Okay, this is fine. What is Z doing? Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly. Genau, genau. Is yeah, no, doctor said no more gooning. Oh man. What is that? Neo lows? Yep, yep, yep. It's okay. It's okay. I probably should have taken more off, but I kind of want to hold it for a bigger move. I only took like 10% off. Ah, nah. No, no, I'm right. I'm right. Well, IWM is looking pretty good. Is this gonna be the higher low for biotech finally? I think if you want to get long Labo, you have to like buy some from here and just hope it like just at least a starter. Cause like buying this has been such a trap. It's so fucking stupid. You know what? I'm just not gonna buy it. Dude, what? Come on, man. Yeah, it needs a 10 day. I really should have bought this one. Oh, Tour is going? No, it's so thin. You remember this stock? This is I'm pretty sure I didn't trade it. Oh no. I did I think I traded it. Did I trade it? No, I didn't. It's too thin, yeah. But this was it's not that good. It like double, it almost tripled though from here. Jinko finally going? Oh, here we go. It's got $30 million volume today. It's not bad. I mean, yeah, let's add these. They make what? Polysilicon. And then JK actually does the modules and the photovoltaic cells, right? So it's kind of like Shoals. No, no, it's like array. No, it's like Enphase then, right? This does the. No, it's like array and first solar. Sorry, array and Shoals, I think. Oh no, no, Enphase, yeah, Enphase and solar does the inverters and the like home solution stuff, I think. Yeah. Dude, actually, that's pretty much the first joke that all my friends made when I said this. It's like I got like my hand is numb. Golfer's elbows, yeah, slash cyclist palsy. It's the cubital nerve one. But it's not the only issue I have. I also have a back issue now. Or I mean, it stems from that. Yeah. I do a ton of PT stuff. Um, it's like nerve flossing, uh, stuff like that. Um, I've also been doing the ones that they recommend for carpal, even though I don't have carpal actually. Just it's preventative. Um, and I've been doing some shoulder exercises too. 90% of cases is supposed to be fixable without, surgery. So I am, uh, just Google it. It's like the same few exercises. I can send you a PDF if you really want, but it's nothing crazy. Like carpal, like you have the ones where you like extend your hands out, make a half fist, then make the full fist and hold that. Ones you make the tunnel, and then the ones where you like put your hand out and then stretch your fingers back, like and then clenching up. I think I'm pretty relaxed generally. I mean, if you actually have carpal, you should go see a doctor. But like, yeah, you'll see like the same you'll see they recommend the same exercises over and over again. But yeah, no, I mean, I'm improving slowly, and I know this because I used to do this like chin tuck, right? It's like you tuck your chin back to stretch out your spine. And when I used to do the chin tuck, I was in so much pain. But now it's a lot more mild. Still hurts, but a lot more mild. But yeah, I'm usually standing at the desk. I don't know if you guys can hear me moving my desk around, but it's like I sit for like maybe 15 minutes tops, and then I get up. And I eat ibuprofen like candy. Uh, oh my God. Dude, I just reset this alert to see. I don't think why is this thin again though? That's the thing. Is this gonna yo, what's going on? What is going on? Did Weed get news, man? No? Yeah, it's good. It's really good to do these preventative things, yeah. Just keep like, you gotta keep like I just really had to make like a lifestyle change and just stick with it. There's less time doing the things that we didn't involve to do. Okay, when did I buy this? Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I know that. Wait, is this I don't listen to podcasts anymore, but which podcast is this again? It's the one with an old player on it, right? Yeah, Matt Barnes, that's right. Fucking Matt Barnes, dude. Yeah, yeah. Matt Barnes, Matt Barnes was the one that went to fucking who was he beefing with? Derek Fisher, right? Derek Fisher was fucking his ex-wife, and he like drove across the country to fight him or something. Yeah, that's right. Fucking Matt Barnes. What song? Really?
Was it in? It's gotta be. I know everything Kanye put out. Maybe I just don't remember it. Oh, word. Yeah, yeah. I just don't remember. So why is only CGC catching a bid? Why is MSauce not catching a bid? Or is this too? CGC and yeah, ugh, these are back on watch, I guess. I don't think I can buy them though right now. This is so thin. Just gonna wait. This is a trap if you buy it now, I feel like. Yeah, yeah, I see. These are better for me. I'll put them back here, yeah. Oh yeah, when did I buy UPST? I was gonna answer that. Well, I bought it starting here. Or did I buy it here first? I mean, I bought it here first, but yeah, yeah. And then I sold it on this day, and then I rebought it here. But it's very small position. It's like 10% of my account. I rebought it on this day. I was complaining about it, and I ended up rebuying it, I think, in this candle, and I just kind of held it. Oh shit, some bids. I found support here, I guess. Um, yeah, more time. This needs to build, so it's lower low. It needs to build a higher low, right? So let's wait. Maybe another few weeks. But I feel like this goes higher at some point. This is like so much demand. It was Oklo? You're in, yeah, I wish I was in VST. I mean, I think it needs a 10-day, but I don't have a big position. I have like 15% of my account in it now. Wait, is VRT doing anything? Is this not the same thing? Which one is this? This is inf okay, so this is just infrastructure though. This is an actual cool. This is like cooling centers and shit. You know what? I should actually put this in two, not three. Yeah, this is so strong. Man, it's like it's that time of the year where the marine layer is just like stays heavy until like 1, 2 p.m. It's cold, man. It's like 60 degrees. Um, my studying method. Well, I read books to learn about market structure and stuff like that. And I talked about that before. Read the cooling book, Weinstein, right? Study a lot of charts, figured out why things moved. I think a lot of people don't focus on why. Like, why did this stock make this move? They just look for the same patterns and they think they'll be able to make money. It's like, it's just not true. Learn about like what kind of news flow, what kind of macro, right? What kind of like themes and why the themes make sense. What do the indices look like when those moves that you are studying make those, so when those moves happen, what makes the indices move, things like that, yeah. I didn't really make a big database though. I made like, I started trying to do one and then I just kind of forgot about it. Because with enough repetition, I don't think you need it. You just kind of have it memorized. But I read like yeah, I read a lot of books. I even read like some more niche stuff like what's the candlestick book again? Like that one I actually quite liked. I don't think it helped me much though. Yeah, the Steve Nissen Japanese candlestick patterns. I don't think I talked about that one. Oh, I read this book on dark pools too. Like I read a lot of things to just learn about market structure, I guess. Yeah. There was this book I kind of okay. I just googling the candlesticks patterns book. I wanted to read this before. It's about Ichimoku cloud charts by Nicole Elliott, but I don't think it's gonna help. But I'm interested, curious. I don't know if I can answer percentage wise. You need so when you say when I when okay when fundamental analysis, I don't know what you mean by that, but what I mean by that is like the why, right? Like some people think fundamentals is just numbers. It's not, which is like I guess that is what it traditionally means, but that's not really what I'm looking for. Numbers can be a reason why a stock moves. Yeah, and in that case, like okay, the stock is going up because of this, because it's getting it's got increasing EPS or whatever the fuck. Fundamentals is like the why to me. Technically, you just need both. There's no, I wouldn't worry about 40 to 60% or whatever. It's both. And there's sometimes like if there's a really good chart and you're not really sure about why it's going up, or the reason it's going up is like, there is a reason, but maybe it's not thematic or something. Like app is a good example of that. Like this is not really in theme, right? It's just insanely strong. I keep forgetting what the fuck this company does. Yeah, mobile marketing. But this is like one of the best charts because look how many of these green candles on the weekly there are volume wise, right? It's obviously perfect IPO base here that failed and they made a big cup and handle. So like this I didn't take, but like, this is an example of something where actually, so there's no theme, right? Which I usually want, but this is the one where your like fundamentals are really strong. Look at this shit, right? It's just clear, can slim, IBD dweeber, and then, the chart looks great, so you buy it. I don't know about like percentage wise. I don't have an answer to that. I don't know, man. This is still like really low, so I wouldn't worry about this too much. Yeah, exactly. Plenty of companies with great fundamentals that make money just fail. Or they don't move for a long time. Like Baba, right? Like this has just been quote unquote undervalued forever. It doesn't matter though, does it? And there's plenty of companies with shit fundamentals that move. So it's just can't it's not a 50-40. I can't really quantify that. That's what I mean. Well, the Roblox chart is actually pretty good now. It's got a nice base. Snow's chart is awful, yeah. Snow is a favorite company by a lot of people in the Bay Area because it's a really good business. But by like traditional measures, it's one of the most quote unquote expensive companies there is. Yeah, this rejected here, so needs some time, but it's a good base. Snow, on the other hand, is not at the top of its base, is it? Like one of my most successful friends, she's like, is she like I think she's like I swear to God, I think she's like an SVP now. And she's my age, she's 32. She did everything right. Like she was also very popular in like high school and college. Anyway, she has a lot of snowflake because she thinks it's a good company. Don't quote me on that. She's at least a director, but is she an SVP now? I don't know. She's insanely successful and like charismatic person. Like she was also in like the hot rich girl sorority, like shit like that. She is at least a director, that I know for sure, yeah. And she's really hot too. So good for her. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. She's, obviously it doesn't matter. Yeah, yeah. Datadog is another company I would say is similarly regarded by people in tech, although this one looks better. They should have bought CrowdStrike instead, because CrowdStrike has also the same reputation. I don't know why they didn't, but so well, Palantir was like a meme stock though. It didn't really. I would say maybe among some people it had that reputation, but it was also like a shit spec for a while, right? But obviously now it's a leader. But yeah, this one's not a huge priority for me yet. Maybe I don't know, but who knows? It might do something like app, like character change. Like the reason I didn't buy this was because I thought it would do just this. It's just, I was like, it's just gonna grind higher, but Palantir is also getting to about the same level. It's like nearing these highs. So yeah, who knows? Well, let's reset the alert on it. My P&L is grinding down. What is going on? Yep, yep, yep. This is why. Um, I'm okay with this. It's gonna bounce here probably. Yeah, yeah. China, it's fine. It's fine. Gonna have to cope a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah, similar to Palantir. It's just turned into a grinder. I traded it. I traded it here too. I traded it. I didn't trade it. Did I trade it here? I don't remember. But I made a lot on Palantir I mean, sorry, Carvana, I made a lot on it here, obviously. This was one of my big winners last year. But I don't know about now, because, I don't know. Grindy. Obviously, you should be watching it. Maybe this is better for like an IRA hold, right? Just buy it at a key level. It's probably better to compare certain periods rather than the entire year. Because in 20 this year, early 2024 was the cleanest out of the last 2 years. Early 2024, everything went straight up. Early 2023 was actually pretty easy to trade too. February, yeah, yeah, exactly. Starting in November of last year, but stuff didn't really catch on until a little bit later. But like this move, I caught this move in like January 2023. I thought January 2023 was pretty easy. Um, there were some other things moving on like Tesla from lows, right? But I got shaken out of this one, I think. Yeah, I got shaken out here. But to me, in January, it seemed like a lot of things had bottomed. Well, Root, yeah, obviously Root was a good trade, but Root I didn't really like. Obviously, I was wrong because this was the news from Root here, the insurance bid. I don't know. And then it was pretty thin, right? Like I wasn't sure how you would get into this. Look how thin it is. All right, guys, the gardener's here. It's gonna be loud, and I should go outside anyway. Can you guys hear the leaf blower? Well, it was more liquid, obviously later on, but it never gave a real entry. All right, well, I'm a dip. Later, guys.